everyone, welcome back to Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. Today we're going to be diving specifically into the templates section inside of SAM 2.0. This is technically part of the communication matrix, and you're going to see how not only can you add templates that you might have had inside of other document storage systems or inside of other CRMs, but you actually can use SAM to do some really incredible things. So let's go ahead and dive in. Navigating into the template section, you're going to see that you can do a couple of things. Well, very first, you could click New Template, and you can actually start titling, writing a subject line, and then filling in your message. And this would be a great way for you to start writing one-off templates that you maybe are going to use again and again and again. And I like to say, anytime you write something and you think you're going to send it more than twice, you should make it a template. So that is kind of our standard for which we're doing something. Now, if for some reason you decided, well, I'm not really sure what I need to write, you can go ahead and on the left-hand side, click Sam's AI button, and you can start sharing with Sam exactly what you're hoping to write. From here, Sam is going to take that objective and it's actually going to write that message for you. And this brings me up to a really good point. Why am I calling these messages? Even though this is technically an email and Sam has written it as an email, I like to call these messages because if you'll notice, to the right-hand side, there's actually an SMS tab. Now, the really cool thing about SAM is when it's creating a message, it's actually not inherently creating a text message. It's not inherently creating an email. It's creating a message. And so clicking over to this SMS, you're going to see that SAM actually asks me if I would like to create an SMS. So what SAM is going to do when I say yes is it's going to take that message and it's actually going to take the entire email and it's going to truncate it into 160 character SMS. Now, I don't know about you, but I've received text messages before that were supposed to be emails and they just feel wrong, right? And so inside of SAM now, you can take these messages that may have been emails and SAM is actually going to rewrite the content, ensuring that none of the overall message is lost, but comes out in that SMS format. So you're going to have the ability to send this. Now, how this plays out in a couple of different ways is perhaps you're sending someone a message and maybe it was an email template, but they have a preference of SMS. They just don't ever check their email. Well, now SAM is able to recognize that that's their preference, whether it's through a one-off message or it's built into one of your routine automations, and it'll actually convert that for you. Now, some other really cool things that you can do is you can adjust the language so you can start to see translations and you're able to tab between, say, English and Spanish. So you're able to start to get a good feel of all of these different things. And then just to the left of that, you can also create different custom merge fields as well as signatures. So even though you don't need to use merge fields to create custom personalized messages, you can still use merge fields inside of your messages to do some really powerful things. And that's exactly what SAM's goal is with these merge fields. So now that we have all of these messages built, you're going to be able to start looking through all of your different messages to see all of these different templates. Now, the really cool thing is if you have integrated on the top right-hand side under those initials with our send grid, you're actually able to see all of your different messages stats. And so on the templates to the left, you're going to see a little blue stats bar. Now, I had a dashboards product before I started building SAM, and one of the really cool things that I learned while building dashboards custom for real estate agents is the power in being able to see stats. So inside of SAM, I actually built this so that you're able to see how many have been processed, how many times it's been delivered, what are the open rates, what are the click rates, and all of the different details that are going to inform your ability to understand if it's a good template or not. Now from here, you can start to make adjustments to these templates and start refining them to be really strong messages. This is going to further build into your business the ability to create those world-class client experiences. And it all starts with being able to take these templates and create them, import them in, adjust them, make them as strong as possible. And if you don't know where to start, you can always leverage SAM to help create those. Now, at that point, Sam's going to create a template that not only sounds like you, but is written specifically for the reason you're hoping to write this. So this is going to be a really cool feature. And from here, all you have to do is add these into your routine automations, or you can send them as one-off messages, and Sam is going to be able to handle all of this at every single point. So this is the template section inside the Systems Accelerator. I hope you have really spent some time inside of the template section, and I know that you're really going to enjoy it, but I will see you on the next video.